Are we good?
You good there?
What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while. We have been enjoying a little time off from the vlog. We need a little break. I'm telling you guys right now, vlogging is not easy. So if you guys are trying to get into this, just be prepared to have a little stress in your eyes like my man here. But also, welcome back to Hefe, Heavy and Modified, the man himself. We call him Light and Modified now because I don't know if you guys noticed. He dropped how much?
137 pounds.
Congratulations to you, brother. I'm so proud of you, man.
Thank you.
We're back. We're gonna be wrapping out in the shop. My man's gonna be filming, editing. We're gonna start getting down every single day, bringing you guys content regularly again. Thank you guys so much for the support. 2019 was a huge year for us. 2020 is gonna be even bigger. Let's get out the shop. I got a Mustang in there. We're gonna be laying racing stripes. This is a repair for a body shop. So basically the racing stripes on the rear are already done. Those come from the factory. What we're trying to do right now is match up the front. The front end was in a collision, so it was repainted, which has us laying the racing stripes again. So what we're trying to do is match the OEM factory racing stripe. We're using a laser to do it. So I'll take you guys out there. I'll show you what that looks like. We're using the laser to make sure we get laser alignment, so it'll be perfect. Laser, everybody asks about it on Instagram at least, because I posted a couple times using this. If you don't follow us on Instagram already, go follow us at Premium Auto Styling. Thing is with this laser, it's a very, very cheap one, but it's very effective. We got it at Harbor Freight. It's like 60 bucks, but it's worth it. If you're gonna be doing racing stripes, very, very cool thing to be doing. What I did was I laid a white piece of tape here, and then also up there. What that does is, because the car is dark, the white tape helps amplify the body a little bit, and it helps you find center a little bit better. Once you get this thing in place, you basically just eyeball the laser in place. You can do some measuring, which we already did, and we have a perfect stripe from here, from that middle point to this middle point. But from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our pre-cut graphic, which is here, and then I got these center points already marked out on the graphic. Now all I gotta do is take the laser and match them up to my lines.
Are these available on the website?
These will probably be available on the website. I've never actually released a Mustang pre-cut kit. I always advise them to take it to a professional shop to have it done. So these pre-cut kits may become available on the site, but that's up to you guys.
Level expert.
Yeah, you guys tell us. I would say take it to a shop and have it done. What you will find if you buy the pre-cut kit from our website is it will be the best quality wrap material. It'll be the perfect fit. All of those things that you get from all of our pre-cut overlays. I still think you should take it to a shop if you're not familiar with vinyl. Back to the laser. If you see here, I marked off my lines in between the stripe. Here, all the way up, all the way back. So we know right now that that's 100% square to the car. It's probably gonna be more center than you get from the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay a piece of tape over the cross. I'm gonna hold that in place. And basically I'm gonna do a hinge method install. So I'll create a hinge here. I'll flap this up, I'll lay this side, and then I'll lay that side.
What's up?
One piece?
All one.
Damn, Stassi, what are you doing over here?
I am wrapping the Porsche top wing.
This thing's badass.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What color is this?
This is, I honestly have no idea. It's a blue. Don't even know what kind of blue it is.
It's called Nipsey Hussle Blue.
Oh, Nipsey Blue?
Nipsey Blue,
call
bro.
it
Nipsey Blue?
Put on the
That's it.
Nipsey song right now. Do a little cinematic.
Can't get copyrighted.
All this money, power, fame.
I make this, you're buying me tacos. All right, Anthony?
We're getting some
Nah,
pozole.
you're still buying me tacos. What's up?
Bam! Woo! Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this guy back a little bit, and that will be for later. Like I said, we're doing a hinge method. Got the top side of the hinge laid now. Mr. David, can you make sure that we're going back? Just let it fall natural where it's supposed to go.
Put you on my channel.
I'm down.
You gotta go with me, and we're gonna do a workout.
Athletics, bro.
We're gonna work out,
Hey,
and we're gonna spar.
Homeboys on the map. You're putting those dudes on the map.
I am.
telling
You know
right
what
now.
though? But they also show me mad love. You know what I mean?
Those dudes. I mean, I want to go there because I
You wanna
see
go to
it's
the gym?
intense. It's like, put the hands up. Put the hands up. Lower, higher, 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 lower, lower, pop, pop. You had stitches right
Nah,
there.
good, bro. It's already healed.
I just punched your stitch on the first day you came back.
Oh, yeah.
My bad.
All right, so I left about 20 days ago. I went to get the gastric sleeve. If you guys don't know about it, just look it up. It's a gastric sleeve. It's a weight loss surgery. And the first time I surprised him, I came back. He got happy. He punched me right in my stitch. So I have stitches in my stomach at 4 different locations, or 3 different locations. And he punched me, but they're already pretty much healing. But it was all love, yeah. But it was kind of funny, though.
Action! All right, guys, at this point, I've got the stripe laid. I'm gonna remove the transfer tape, and we should be good to go. Like I said earlier, it's for a body shop, and the body shop is only replacing the front end stripes. Because these stripes have been on since the car was new, they have aged, they've weathered, they've changed a little bit. And what my assumption is that it was a satin black film. The satin black has been on the car for a couple years now, and it's weathered, and it's aged, and it's faded. So you can see here is a brand new piece of satin film that I laid over.
Yeah, you can tell on camera it's way different.
So this is what they originally looked like. This is what they faded to. What I did up front was I used a matte black instead of a satin black. What I'm trying to do here is have more of an effect that the stripe already has naturally to make it flow, to make it fit as good as possible. What I think is ultimately going to end up happening is the customer's going to need it. Do end up...
The whole thing has to get redone in satin black.
What I think is the customer can redo the entire stripe kit, which we did tell them they're probably not going to match. Right now, what we're trying to do is get it as close as possible. So if he's trying to save money, that's what we want to do for him. We're trying to use matte film to try to match the faded out satin black stripes that he had on there already. So you can see there's a little bit of a color difference, but hopefully this is acceptable for him if he's trying to save some money. But the right thing would be just to remove and replace all the stripes. Those stripes have been on for a couple years now. They've already faded. They're going to begin to get really hard to take off. So at this point, they should be replaced anyway. So hopefully he'll do that. All right, so one thing that I noticed is when you're doing these racing stripes on this particular bumper, because you got a 90-degree bend right here, what happens is if you try to use a pre-cut, they start to lose their shape once you get a nice flat here, and then it goes out this way or in that way, so it doesn't look right. What I decided to do instead of using the pre-cut is I measured everything, and I just used knifeless tape to actually do the stripe. So I measured from this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, and here, and I got 10 inches all the way through. So now I can lay over and use the knifeless tape to cut the stripe. Some of you guys might not be following along, but I'll show you what it looks like. Super easy. Bam! Racing stripes are done. I did tell you guys early on that they were going to be a little bit different in color from the stripes that have been on for a while, so you can actually see that. I want you to show them. I want people to understand that the vinyl does change over time, and that is what happened here. I don't think if you're told you're going to notice it, but when you look, you'll see. The new stripes do look a little bit better. Well, look a lot bit better because they're brand new. The other stripes are a couple years old. I'm hoping that the customer ultimately decides to have us remove the rest of the stripe kit and replace them with this color because it looks way better. It's more refreshed. Took about an hour and a half to do this. I was filming, so it was a little slower than it should be. I can probably get this done in about 45 minutes if I was just going straight at it.